Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. It's a little early. It's like 7:30, and notice, not quite the usual face that you would see on my videos, but that's because we have some yard work to do. And if you can take a look at this backyard, we got a lot to clean up. So I'm getting my gloves on, but I will show you what I'm making today too. So stay tuned. One of the projects that we are making are some big poles here. We just added some concrete and some water, making like the mix. And these will hold some stringed lights for the graduation party. So they're gonna go here and here, and then the lights will go from this gazebo over us. So I see a vision. Got the liner in, so I have that liner in here. I just put in the bag of chicken breasts and some Sweet Baby Ray's, but it's Hawaiian, which will go perfect with the barbecue pineapple theme that we're doing here. So this is good. I can't wait. So the chicken is all done. I have shredded it in its juice, and so what I'm going to do now is just add this crushed pineapple. I'm going to drain all of the juice, and I'm going to put it in increments because I want to mix it through, and it's supposed to have like a tropical flair to the chicken, and I can't wait. Yum. I wanted to show you how I'm putting in the pineapple. So it's shredded, so it's really light. So when you mix it in, you don't really see it, and you just got the taste. So this will be perfect for the grilled cheeses that I'm going to be making. And even if there are bits of pineapple, that's totally fine because it's supposed to be in there. So I'm back now to get everything going. So as you can see here, I just purchased a bag of sliced French bread. Makes it way easier than me trying to cut it because, come on, let's face it, those slices would be way big. So this is perfect. So I have here, I don't know, like 20 something. And so that's about 12 or so sandwiches. So I'm going to use my skillet because it has a lid. And that lid's going to be important to melt down that cheese for the yummy sandwich. So I'm going to start buttering them and placing them maybe like 6 at a time in the skillet. So I just put the cheese on the bread, and I want to give it a little bit of a crust. So I want to turn it down. I can do that on my pan. So medium heat, maybe even a little less because you're trying to get sprinkled cheese to melt. So I'm also going to start putting on the chicken. Yum. So let's see how this goes. Normally I don't put meats in my grilled cheeses. I mean, I might do the occasional hot ham and cheese, but this is special. So just a little bit. As you can see, the 3 pounds does make a lot. So if I have any leftovers, I'm going to just put it over like some rice or something. Make it more like a teriyaki. Because it has that taste, that sweet taste. So good. All right. Paul's about to go get my son, who is at the movie theaters with his friends, seeing that new Avengers movie. Did anybody see that? Of course, I haven't, and I would really love to, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do here is also put some more cheese on top. So this will be the connector to the other breads. Now I've already buttered the other breads because I thought this would be a very fast process, and I wasn't incorrect. It's going really fast. So let's flip it. Look at those, so good. So I'm gonna hit them back over on the other side to try to get some more of these parts to crisp up, but I think they look great. While I have some more cooking over here and I'm almost done, I wanted to show you one cut in half. See, it looks so delicious. You see that melted cheese? So I used about 3/4 of a 2-pound block. I used some to cut cubes for Ezra. So that is Delish. Let me see. Mmm. So good. Mm-hmm. It tastes just like a barbecue sandwich. So, in my recipe, I just didn't want, and that's going to be at the end of the video, I didn't want it to be so overpowering with the pineapple, so I only did half a can, but I could totally see where you could use a whole can and get away with it totally fine. So, I'll show you how many sandwiches it makes and how cool it looks, and then tell you what my family thinks. So I used about half of that 8x8 pan. So I probably could have done like a pound or a pound and a half. So, but if you're a bigger family, I have 4 boys and a husband that I need to feed all the time. So this is gonna go great. I'm gonna make some baked potatoes or some fried potatoes and just throw that on top. Let me show you these. I still have 2 more cooking, but oh my gosh. So Jonas came over just for a snack and he just wanted a taste and he took a sandwich. So they are delicious. Maybe put a little bit aside of some barbecue sauce. Remember, I'm using the Hawaiian one. Or if you make one, I have a great recipe to make. Super easy. And it's just a cup of ketchup, a half a cup of brown sugar, and then a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it together. Perfect sweet barbecue recipe. And it's actually my mother-in-law's. So thanks, Sandy. Anyways, these are almost done. I need to get going. And what would be a great side with this is some fried potatoes or some potato wedges. And so I might do that tomorrow if we have any leftovers. But have a great day and stick around. You never know what I'll be rolling out next.